Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Azibati Azman. My metric number is 173467. Today I'm going to make a video in order to complete a task of an assignment, problem-based learning. So I have identified two students from two different schools. So these are the summary of their problem and the strategy that I propose to them. Okay, for the first student, she has problems in word problem. She got confused with the word problem. Word problem is a mathematics question which has a long words and information content in it. So the teaching strategy that I propose to her is, first one is convert or simplify the problem. Okay, convert or simplify the problem. This can be done when the student read through the question and then convert the information that has in the question into mathematics terms. Okay, they can make the question become more simplified when they use a diagram or figure in order to help them to visualize the word problem. To make it more simple. And the second one is the Poyas model approach. This approach can be done in the class. It can be done in the class. Actually, Poyas model has been implemented in the textbook in order to help students to have some idea on how to solve the mathematics or problem solving question step by step and systematically. Okay. In Poyas model approach, there are four processes. Okay. The first one is understand the problem. Second one is devise a plan. Third one is carry out the plan, and the last one is look back. Okay. For the second problem is memorizing the formula. Okay. She got some problem in memorize the formula. She feel that the formula should be provided in the test. Okay, so that student can save their time on memorizing the formula. They can focus on understanding the underlying concept. Okay, so the strategy that I propose to her is, first of all, is understand the formula. The student need to understand the formula first. How the formula is developed, what is the use of the formula, what are the variable represent in the formula. They need to understand first the formula itself, then it can help them to memorize the formula better. Okay, and the second one is practice technique. Okay, of course, practice make perfect. So when they keep on doing the practice, and when they have to solve a certain problem or question, they will use a formula, and the formula might be simple or difficult. By keep on practice the word problem or problem solving question or mathematical question, it will help that they will use the formula, and it will help them to memorize the formula easily. They will not face difficulty in memorizing the formula because they have a very lot of practice. Okay, and the third problem that she has is time. She is poor in time management in examination when it's come to a mathematical test. Okay, and this is the learning strategies that I propose to her. First is look over the entire test. Second one is start with easy one, and third one word by clock. The last one is word smart. Look over the entire test, help them to have some idea on what the formula or the step that he or she might apply when answering the question. And start with the easy one. Of course, she has to find which question, which one is the easier one, and answer the easy one first. Okay, word by the clock and word smart. Word smart means that she has to organize her way of answering the question. It means that, let's say she has to solve the question, the long question, she has to she has to solve the question which involve a long calculation. She might provided with a piece of paper in order to avoid he or she of habits of erasing the answer, because when he or she do the answer in the examination papers and not sure about the answer, she might have some habit of erasing the answer. Erasing the answer may cause he or she lost some mark, because some of the calculation that he or she do might contribute to the marks, but he or she don't know which calculation might contribute to their marks. So in order to work smart, he or she might provide some piece of paper in order to make some note, formulas or simple calculation before he or she write the final answer in the question paper. Okay, for student 2. Okay, now we move on to student 2. Okay, for student 2, she also got same problem like student 1, which is she got confused when it comes to words problem. Okay, for this student 2, she prefer to work by a group. Okay. Okay. In order to solve this problem, the teaching strategy that the teacher should apply in the class is the teacher might use a process chart. This strategy is quite similar to FOIA models. Okay, and the next problem is math anxiety. Okay, math anxiety. Okay, math anxiety. According to Tobias and Westbrook, 1980, math anxiety is the panic, helplessness, paralysis, and mental disorganization that arise among some people when they are required to solve a mathematical problem. Okay, so the teaching strategy that that I propose to this student is the teacher should promote confidence in student. Confidence can be in order to enhance confidence in student, it can be done in many ways. And one of the ways is the student might praise the student based on when they do well in answering any mathematical question. Okay, this help the student to motivate and makes them to work hard in order to get the best, to be the best among the best. Okay, and the next strategy is the student and the teacher may use any concrete object or manipulative object. Concrete object or manipulative object is an object which the student can touch, can see, and can feel. Okay, when the teacher use any concrete object or manipulative object in their learning, it helps students to have a good visualization, and the conceptualization can be done easily into student minds, because they can see by themselves. Okay, I think that's all. Not that's all. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching.